Today, we're going to demonstrate how to make puff pastry. First, you're going to add salt into the flour and mix it together. Add the water, but only half to start, because I want to control the moisture in the flour. I'm going to mix it and then slowly add a teaspoon of water at a time to get the right consistency. That's not too soft and not too hard. Wrap the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. While my dough is chilling, I'm going to prepare my butter. Using a rolling pin, pound the butter into a rectangle and then fold it into a square. So now we're going to fold the butter inside the dough. First, we're going to roll the dough into a 9 by 9 inch square. Place the butter in the middle. Take the corner of the dough and place it in a way that it meets in the middle. Pinch the side of the dough to create like a pocket. I'm going to start to roll it a bit thinner. You want to get 3 times the length. Fold it into an almost perfect square. I'm going to repeat the same process for a total of 3 times. Now my dough is finished. I'm going to roll it to 1/8 of an inch thick. And right now I'm going to show you how to make pinwheel. First, most important part is how to cut it properly. Cut my dough into 4-inch squares. And what I'm doing, I'm cutting 4 diagonal. Then I'm going to fold each corner into the middle. And I'm going to apply the egg wash. The egg wash will give it a beautiful shine, color, and a nice crispiness as well. As you can see, you can shape puff doughs in different shapes and forms. And here we have perfectly baked thin rolled pinwheels, thicker rolled pinwheels, vol au vent filled with a creamy mushroom sauce, and fruit pockets filled with jam. Tasty, buttery, flaky, delicious.